In this video, we are going to learn managed package and post installation script. Here, we will understand what is Salesforce package and the types of Salesforce package and what is a post installation script and how to create a managed package. So, what is Salesforce package? A Salesforce package is a container that contain either a single component or a set of related apps. After creating a package, you can distribute it to other Salesforce user and organization, including those outside your company. There are two types of Salesforce package. One is unmanaged package and the second one is managed package. So what is unmanaged package? Unmanaged packages are typically used to distribute open source project or application templates to provide developers with the basic building block for an application. Once the components are installed from an unmanaged package, the component can be edited in the organization they are installed in, but the developer who created the unmanaged package cannot update it or make some changes. So why this is called as unmanaged package? So what is managed package? Managed packages are typically used by Salesforce partners to distribute and sell application to the customer, and managed packages are fully upgradable. These packages must be created from developer edition organization, and who created the managed package can update the managed package. So what is post installation script? A post installation script is a Apex class that implements the install handler interface. The interface has a single method called onInstall that specifies the action to be performed on installation. Here I am going to demonstrate you how to create a managed package in Salesforce. Click on setup and type package. For managed package, we have to first register for an namespace. For this, I will click on edit, click on continue and check for the availability of namespace. MP01 is already registered, so I will try another. It's showing that the namespace is available, so I will click on review my selection and I will click on save. For creating managed package, click on new, then type the name of your package and click here for near managed, then click save. Now I have to add a component in my managed package, so I will click on add. I have created a Apex class and click on add to package. For adding a post installation script class, click on edit and select your class. I have created post install class, then click save. So the managed package is ready. Now click on upload. Here click the version name. So we can select either managed beta or managed released. Managed beta is used for testing purpose, and managed release used for publish the package to App Exchange. So I am selecting managed beta and click on upload. So it will generate a link. After clicking this link, we can install the managed package in my different org. So thank you for watching this video.